Alright folks, this is it. Feast your eyes on the all-new 2026 Cfmoto 750Sr-S. And yes, it's as serious as it looks. Cfmoto has officially entered the inline-four game, and this middleweight monster is ready to shake things up. Cfmoto just leveled up big time. You might know Cfmoto for their affordable entry-level sport bikes and some triple-cylinder concepts. But now, they are throwing down a serious challenge with this. Their first inline-four sport bike, and it's gunning for the middleweight crown. Under the fairings sits a brand new 749 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled inline-four, pushing out around 110 horsepower. It's not the most powerful in class, but this thing is all about balance, tech, looks, and real-world performance. And let's be honest, inline-fours just sound right. That smooth rev, that classic high-pitched wail, instant goosebumps. Design-wise, the 750Sr-S is loud in the best way possible. Huge front winglets, functional. Quad-tip exhaust, unique. Single-sided swing arm, straight fire. Cfmoto isn't playing it safe, and it shows. And look at the hardware. Brembo monoblocks, KYB fully adjustable suspension, steering damper with 20 settings, and a TFT dash with Bluetooth and even NFC keyless start. This bike punches way above its weight in features. Cfmoto clearly wants to disrupt the segment, rivaling bikes like the GSX-R750 and ZX-6R, but likely at a way friendlier price. That's the wild card here. So here's the quick breakdown. Pros? Inline-four thrill, premium parts, tech-packed, drop-dead looks. Cons? Bit on the heavy side at 470 pounds, and 110 horsepower might leave power junkies wanting more. But honestly, for a first shot at a proper four-cylinder sport bike, this is impressive. Cfmoto came out swinging, and we're here for it. What do you think? Would you pick this over the Japanese classics? Drop your take in the comments, and hit like and subscribe for more fast looks at the latest bikes. Catch you on the next ride.